RPS Composites is a world leader in the design and manufacture of corrosion and abrasion-resistant composite piping and process equipment. We ensure that our customers realize the full benefits of composite system installations. For over 50 years, RPS has provided a broad range of engineering services, technical support, and installation to our customers. Our products are installed in diversified industries in over 42 countries worldwide. RPS Composites has 6 locations across North America, with 4 in the United States and 2 in Canada.
We offer a number of engineering services. We assist customers with preparation of specifications for selecting materials, both FRP and dual laminate, for their applications. We'll prepare piping specifications for them. We often undertake pipe stress analysis of our piping systems. That would be with using Caesar 2 software. We prepare design calculations for custom equipment such as tanks, and for that we often use finite element analysis. We have 2 software programs for that, including SolidWorks Simulation and NX Nastran. We also prepare shop instructions for manufacturing of components, and of course we prepare fabrication drawings, shop fabrication drawings for our pre-assembled piping and for our custom equipment. We also prepare field instructions for installing, servicing, and maintaining our equipment. Prevalent code for our piping systems is ASME B31.3, which addresses pressure piping in the process industries. But we also do a lot of work to ASME B31.1, which addresses pressure piping in the power industries. As for manufacturing standards, our pipe is classified in accordance with ASTM D2310, which addresses film wound pipe. Our fittings are manufactured in accordance with ASTM D6041, which addresses contact molded pipe fittings and joints. And our flanges are manufactured in accordance with ASTM D5421 or D4024, depending on whether they're contact molded or film wound. As far as tanks go, the prevalent standard is definitely ASME RTP1, which addresses FRP and dual laminate tanks up to 15 psi in pressure. And while we're not yet certified by ASME to that standard, we do design, manufacture, inspect, and test tanks to that standard. We're not new to tank design. We have engineers on staff who have designed tanks and process vessels throughout their careers. Plus, the markets that we will serve are not new to us. They're the same markets we essentially serve with our piping systems. So we're already familiar with the types of materials, the chemical environments that will go into the tanks, and that allows us to select appropriate materials. And I think a very important part of our approach is the fact that we're heavily engaged in the ASME RTP standard committees and subcommittees activities. I think that effort has allowed us to gain an in-depth knowledge of the standard, both in terms of the current state of the art and potential future developments.
RPS Engineering is consistently involved in the research and development of products that are brought to us by our customers. We very often get one-off products and have to figure out how to manufacture them to be cost-effective and to meet the needs of the customer.
The RPS design approach assures the long-term performance of our piping systems because we take an approach that looks at all the aspects that impact on the design. We ensure that the proper material has been specified, that the components have been properly manufactured and designed to appropriate industry standards with appropriate factors of safety. We also look at the overall piping system to make sure the piping stresses are limited to acceptable values. And we also offer a complete line of piping supports which are specifically designed and manufactured to suit our piping systems. That allows the customer to forget about fit-up issues between the pipe and the supports and whether or not the support will function as intended. And I think all these things taken together ensure the long-term performance of the system.